Right, this is our escape route. The dividing wall between our current unit and the unit that we're thinking of going into and sharing some space with the guys who are there at the moment. So, in order to do that, easiest way is going to be to take this wall out. It's not going to be as easy as I thought it was going to be. I had a little look at chiselling the mortar out here, and it is bloody tough. It's only block work, it's only single thickness, but yeah, it's going to be interesting. And there are already some cracks here, so I'm kind of thinking that this might have been removed once upon a time. Or possibly not the bit that we're taking out, which is here that way for about a couple of metres. But these cracks down there, that way, down. I'm thinking it maybe have been taken out on this side once upon a time. So I'm hoping the cracks are going to help us out. And we're going to go up a couple of metres. It's going to go up higher, but we can't go too high because there's trunking on the other side. And they've also got a couple of alarms attached to the wall as well. So we're probably going to need to leave the top 3 rows. So we'll have to put something across there to support it. I'm just thinking of a chunk of angle screwed to the blocks and plenty long enough so that it'll support it at each end. So that's the plan. And I just gave this wall, or just yesterday, brushed it all down to see what it looks like underneath all the dust. That side is all the dust which is left. We're not touching that. We're going to leave the bit that's got the single phase conduit on it. So yeah, I just thought I'd have a little look at how it is now, because we've got to put it back afterwards. The landlord is a bit reluctant for us to knock this out, but yeah, as long as we put it back, we've got the go ahead. Oh my god, fog, dust cloud from cutting a slot in the wall. I'm trying to put a slot in so that I can put a piece of angle in and hold up the blocks above where we're cutting the opening. And this thing's made so much dust. Even though the wall chaser has got an outlet to attach a vacuum cleaner hose. Oh my god, what a mess. You can just see the slot there. I thought I was going to have trouble keeping that straight, and yeah, I was right. Oh my god, I've got to leave this for an hour to settle, I think. This is the tool I've been using. Titan is a cheap own brand from Screwfix, B&Q. It's done the job, but cracky does it make a mess. 2 diamond cutting blades, which you can adjust the spacing of with the different collars in there. And at first, a big problem where the vacuum cleaner attaches, there was another bar across that hole in there, and it was just getting clogged up in no time. So I've broken that out, and that's a lot better. But even so, wow, what a fucking mess. Okay, Well, at least we made a start on this. Well, the dust has settled. Oh my gosh. I didn't realise it was going to be quite as bad as that when I started grinding out the the slot for our little lintel above the opening. But oh my god, bit of a hoovering required. It's not going to do things any good, is it, all this dust? Right. And a little bit of rubble to clear up. Gold. Still, actually cutting the wall out was not too bad, and certain places here, those two down the bottom there. We just cut these with a saw. This was just cut with a wood saw. These blocks. Some of it's a joint, but yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blocks we cut through with a saw there. And this is a chunk of angle iron wedged in the slot that I ground out with the mortar rakes. I think the block work above is pretty sound anyway, but yeah, I think we needed to put something in there, and that's doing the job quite well. Right, clear up required.